Zari Obukadde va social media. Social media tejanko na age restriction.
It is the final channel, Zanella alongside SPV Graphics and of course AFCloud. Upward ngamba nti jiteke kobengo funa the latest updates from the final channel. Zari avuddeyo ku bantu abamuyita omukadde. N'agamba nti oba mwandinywedde ku mazzi. Kuba ye omukadde ye trend setter ate y'omu kw'abo abantu abayimirizaawo show business, I think online by influencer mwena mulabidde ku Zari. By the way, she's right. There are some ladies ababaddewo kati for over some time. Juliana, Zari, Irene Namubiru, Sylvia Wori, Judith Ad. Bwe muyita kati abakadde, yet they are the trend setters. Buli kakampasa buli kaani konna kayigidde ku bano. Kyokka ate kati mumaze okuyiga ate mubavuma. Kansooke nkuwe Zari weewulirire ku nsonga za Zari zino.
Mulimu abantu ku social media wano abalina self-hate, let me put it that way, and they want to transfer their negative energy onto a person, you know. I'm a very positive person, my vibe is different, I've got a good vibe. Those who know me in person, every time we are social media, you don't have so much hate for yourself, so you rather actually spit bile on people's pages, you know. Olina very Zari Obukadde va social media tejanko na age restriction. I've never gotten that memo. Nti emyaka bwejiti omuntu alina kwera ku social media. Nina ne bamanyi abangi abansinga emyaka naye nga bali ku social media. Nobulira abamu ku mwana bu 20s nga babatadde naffe, bu 20s 30s nga babatadde naffe aba 40s 50s. Temusobola kutuula we tuli. Wallahi ng'oswala nga watudde kumpi naye ng'oswala nga tewali agambye vaawo n'oyimuka n'ovaawo ng'olinga ate gwanzaala nze gw'ovuma. Nina abaana bataano nekangenda kuwezaana mu September, kale kitwale nti nagaweza kuba omwaka gwegwo. Ebizibu byempiseemu ng'omukazi nabyo bingi, obviously birina okundabikako ate n'obukulu nina okuba nti ndabika obukulu, naye gwe owulira kali akantu nga kakutudde wano nga kakuchokinga, owulira nga kagala kuvaayo kati naye tekavaayo. Buli lwolaba Zari va ku social media kuba nze sigenda kuvaako. Nebwena blocking, nebwona blocking, nebwona fast forwarding. I'm very famous. Ngena kundaba ku newsfeed z'abalala, ngena kundaba ku TV yo kati. Mutuveeko. Fwe mwita abakadde. It's what it is. Tetukulanga tudda buto abamu mwe mugenda kutuuka mu myaka gye tulimu online nga mwasensebuka. Nga tosaana kutunulwako ng'olinga jjajja gundi. Mutwesonyiwe. Bw'olaba nti abakadde bye bakola tebikusanyusa. Why are you following their pages? Why are you following me? Why are you stalking me? Why you want to see everything I'm posting? It's because you want to keep up. Because there's something about me that keeps you coming back. You know? Ebyo abakadde olanga tobisobola nti omukazi mukulu nnyo oyo va ku social media, va ku page yange. Kwanza sina gyendaga.
Yes, nga Zari wakugambye. Social media has no age restriction. In fact, bakugamba are you above 18? Once you're above 18, you can be on social media. There is no end age until no, this is the age you are supposed to get off social media. But there is a starting age. Okitegeera, togenda kuleta mwana muto. Era bakugamba oweza myaka 18, you subscribe, you go to Facebook, you go to Gmail, you go to Google, whatever. So long as you are 18, sincerely speaking, I'm very proud of these ladies. They have tried at least okujja ka Uganda kafeka no mu kyalo je kaali ne batuyigiriza ebintu. So many girls have learned from these ladies. At least the wannabe cool girls have learned from these ladies. Kata to okubaddako ne mubavuma muleese ekyalo kyammwe gye muyombera eyo mu byalo eyo. Mukadde wa ku kyalo we. No. In the developed or civilized world, in fact, old is gold. Because now Zari has more experience when it comes to online business, when it comes to online behavior. Okitegeera. Waliwo abantu abamunga, I don't know, nga bali so negative. They spread a lot of negative energy. These girls have stood the negative energy. And nkubulira, Zari has been there, Juliana has been there, Irene Namubiru has been there, Judith Ad. They have overcome that negative vibe that is always on social media. So, mokubagobako, I think you should just pick a leaf and learn from them. It is the final channel, Zanel alongside SPV Graphics and of course Cloud. Please subscribe. Yes, we have 60k now. My plea is, if we can hit 100k subscribers this year, please, I badly need that silver button. Please tell your friend to subscribe. Yes, people say I don't respond to comments. I do respond to comments, but I can't respond to everyone. I respond to some comments. Abalala, I don't leave you out because I don't want to respond. It's just time because I have to go look for work. I have to do also my research so that I can give you the stuff that you comment on. So if I spend all the time commenting, responding to comments, I think I'll be missing out on a lot of info. It'll be taking a lot of time, yet I also have to do some other stuff. But I respect your comment. Sometimes I read through and just understand it and maybe take note if it's on my side, if it's a comment coming towards me about how I do the work, how I always do the changes where necessary. Please subscribe. It is SPV Graphics alongside Zanello and of course Cloud. We out.